Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have a Ford Escape Kuga with remote starter. It is not working. The car have an accident. After we fix it, they put a new airbag control module. We program, we configure it. After that, the customer missed the remote starter functionality. So let us go together and see what is the cause of that problem and what is the fixes 2019. We're going to use ideas. Thank you. Okay, this is the car here as you see, and this is how it look like. Ford Escape Kuga. Okay, we are going to use our ideas as you see here. I'm gonna close this one and come here to ideas. Be sure your ideas is up to date. This car 2019 Escape Kuga, it doesn't take the software FDRS. You cannot use FDRS, you have to use IDS. So now this is IDS, it's coming on. Car is running. I will turn the ignition, and also the IDS will open on the last section that you work on it. If you are working on any car there, it will bring that car. If you say, it will ask you, is this is the car, either you say yes or no. On this IDS here, integrated diagnosis software, this is not what we are, this is not FDRS. So we're gonna wait a little bit to see if we can get the function of it. It takes some time, depend to your hard drive, if it's DDS, SDD or SSD. SSD is the fastest one. This is 129.08, the software version. Ignition is on. If you push lock, unlock, lock work, because ignition is on. Okay, here is the last car that I was working on it, and if you notice, you want to open it, you see Escape or Kuga is the same thing. So now I say yes, this is the car. It will open the functionality for it. From here I will go to diagnose and see what is going on. 2019, May 2019, almost 2020. I will do self-test or DTC. We're gonna wait a little bit. If the ignition is off and you try to push this 2 times, the car is supposed to start. On this car, the car doesn't want to start at all. Please wait. Okay, now we're gonna look here. You see everything pass. Everything passed, but we have 3 codes here. The first one here, we have speaker 1, B1A01, speaker 1. I don't know where it's located, but you can, if you go to wiring diagram and all this, it will tell you fuel cut-off event. This is on the body control module. And also the other one is B1D00 type 15, he say circuit short to battery, left low beam is not working, right low beam is not working. So we have 3 codes. One is the speakers, and how I know what is that? You click here, audio control system. You see on the top. If you have OSIS, you click here, or PTS OSIS. When you click here, it will open this page in another page where he gonna ask you to put username and password. Look, show you. I click there on PTS. Let me click. You see here, it pull VIN number, it pull a lot of information, but it will ask you when you go there to put username and password. It take you to another page. You see here, it take you to another page that where you have to pay, or you have subscription. Automatically it give you wiring diagram, component information, all the work that you need to do. Okay, now my point is here. Okay, if you delete this code, it will never delete. If you try to delete this code, let me delete everything. I'm gonna clear all the code. You cannot clear it, and I don't want to go to another work to do. I'm just gonna concern about what is the solution for this code, how to fix it. Okay, now let's go back again. You see, still all this available. Okay, so you know what you're gonna do? We're gonna go to the tools and go to electrical, not to body control. Go to electrical and then go to service function. On the service function, you're gonna get this one, PCM crash start to reset. Why? Because this car have a crash. Let me go back. Just want to show you that. I want to go back. Okay, go here, come here, and this is where you need to do. Click on it, and it says this procedure will reset the BCM crash sense started to no crash detect state. Crash state status is triggered by the signal from the RCM when it's determined that a crash has occurred. While in a crash detect status, the fuel pump prime at key on and remote start function will be disabled by the BCM. Before resetting the starter, make certain the fuel system is fully intact and free from any leak or crash related damage. Okay, or crash related damage. Crash status may be confirmed using data logger. Do you want data logger? If you go to BCM and you see data logger, maybe you get that. Okay, do you want to confirm there or not? Let me go to data logger or data logger. I want to see the logs, what I have there on BCM. go here, data logger. I want to see PCM what it say. Modules, PCM, double click. Here I will see if there is anything related to crash, on and off. Wow, it's a lot. Oh, because I choose only one. Current battery, current. Let me go back. I want to go back to data logger and try to read it maybe. PCM, and try to see if there is any crash data or anything that you need to choose it from here. I just took 2 or 3. This is a lot. Let me see something again. SS habit mode. There's a lot of data here. Let me look at here. You see? Look here. Crash, yes. Crash, yes. So what I'm gonna do is I will go back to here. No, I'll go back here. Go to electric. Service function. Crash reset. And then we're going to see that what you're going to say. Say yes. Ignition is on. Yes, ignition is on. Procedure successful. Okay. Press tick to exit. Now I'm going to go here. Crash. Remember here, crash, no. See the data? Crash, no. So I don't have no crash. So now I'm gonna get out of here. Come to DTC, erase the DTC to see if this is gonna come back again. Yes. So let's clear all the DTC and then turn the ignition on and see what happened. Please subscribe, share and like. Please subscribe, share and like, and if there is any question, feel free to ask and let's continue doing the work. Before, no matter what you push here, the remote starter is disabled. So after this one, we're gonna turn the key off, we go outside and try. Now we're reading the codes, it takes some time. Maybe I need to get another SSD. Please stay with us. Okay. Now, you see now, this one, the left low beam, the right low beam, and even the radio speakers. Remember the speakers? I don't see that one. The speaker one also is gone. Maybe that one have a relationship with it, but that code never comes. So I have only 2 codes. Before I have those codes here. Remember, before I have this speaker 1 and fuel cutoff. No way, no more. Okay. This one maybe you need to look at it on the PCM, why they are not working and what is the fixes. This is another story. Now I'm gonna turn the key off. Let me start it. Turn it off. Come out. One, two. Yes. Car start now. Beautiful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.